Ilocos is getting more modern now because they are using QR codes and cashless payments. To know more about Ilocos for visitors, come with me and let's discover some examples. Many shops and restaurants in Ilocos is now using cashless payments like GCash, Maya, or QR, which is part of the new tourism trends that make Ilocos more convenient.
Now, I'm here to showcase fun activities of a wonderful province in Region 1, known as La Union. La Union is popular for surfing in San Juan, visiting Tangadan Falls, exploring the cultural site like Macho Temple. Tourists enjoy swimming, hiking, and trying the cultural food.
Hey everyone, if you're planning a trip to Pangasinan and want to know places that are very easy to reach, family friendly, and most of all, accessible for everyone, don't worry, I got you. Here are 4 spots that you could take in Pangasinan. Now mind you, these places have a very good tourism center, wide walk paths, good tourism rest areas, and most of all, improved road paths. Next up, the 100 Islands National Park in Alaminos, Pangasinan, which has a well-organized tourism center and boat services to make your island hopping experience smooth from start to finish. Bolinao and Patar Beach are also one of the great options. So whether you're traveling with friends, family, or alone, Pangasinan has many places that are safe, convenient, and enjoyable for everyone.
Heritage preservation through curated artworks and historical designs. And also,
by combining technology with culture, Hotel Luna provides a unique and appealing experience for tourists.